Have you noticed that the same question can get totally different AI answers? That's usually because you didn't tell the AI who it should be. And that's exactly what a role prompt does. A role prompt assigns a role to the AI before it answers. For example, you are a teacher. You are a lawyer. You are a sales coach. When the AI has a role, it changes its tone, priorities, and level of detail. Let me show you the difference with a quick before and after. Before, write a response to a customer who is angry about a late delivery. After, you are a customer support manager. Write a calm, empathetic response to an angry customer about a late delivery. Apologize, give a clear solution, and end with a helpful next step. Keep it under 90 words. See how the role instantly makes the answer more professional. Now here are real role prompt examples across different fields. Examples you can use right now. You are an art curator. Write a 120-word gallery description for my abstract painting series. Tone, elegant and clear. End with one inviting sentence. Or, act as a sales coach. Create a phone call script to sell a $299 per month package to restaurants. Include 5 discovery questions and 2 objection replies. Or an example as a teacher. You are a physics tutor. Explain Newton's second law to a beginner using one real-life example, then give 3 practice questions with answers. Or, you are a chemistry teacher. Explain acid-base reactions to a high school student using simple language and 2 everyday analogies. Either as a composer or a financial coach, act as a music producer. Suggest 3 chord progressions for a sad R&B song in a minor. For each, chord names, mood, and a simple melody idea. Or, act as a personal finance coach. Create a monthly budget for $2,000 income with a goal to save 15%. Output as a table and add 5 practical tips. And as a lawyer, you are a contract reviewer. Summarize this contract in plain language, obligations, payment, termination, and risky clauses to review. General info, not legal advice. Role prompts are perfect when you want the AI to sound like an expert. Act as, role, task, what to do, audience, WHO, constraints, length, tone, output format, bullets, table, steps. The difference between an instruction prompt and a role prompt is simple. An instruction prompt tells the AI what to do. A role prompt tells the AI who to be. Instruction prompts control the output. Role prompts control the mindset and the voice behind the output. So if you want a specific format, like 3 bullet points, or a table, use an instruction prompt. But if you want the answer to sound like an expert, like a teacher, a lawyer, or a coach, use a role prompt. And the real magic happens when you combine both. First give the role, then give clear instructions. That's how you get answers that are both high quality and perfectly formatted.
Follow for more AI prompt tutorials.